Look at these incredible animals, Mia.
Do you have any idea how lucky you are to live here?
I don't want to live here.
We've only been here a month. She just needs time.
A white line on our farm. What do I care about some dumb cover? I don't need a friend. Give my ball back. You're lucky. He likes you.
So this place, it's your home.
For the first time we've been here, she's happy.
A wild animal's a wild animal. That lion stays in its pen.
You can come in if you want.
Mia! Get out of here, right now!
I can't believe you placed your brother's life in danger.
He has to go.
Please, I'll do anything.
Mia, it's over. It's going to be sold to the first buyer I can find.
I'm going to get you to some reserve. Let's go, boy. And then you'll be free.
Mia's gone.
I'm going to find her.
Charlie's my best friend. I just couldn't let him go. I love you, Charlie.